the target. Upamecano. Well, the timing was perfect. Ball one. Axel Witsel. Oh, big opportunity. Oh, he's missed, but by a minuscule margin.
Well, he couldn't have made better contact than that. His technique is brilliant. He's so unlucky there.
Foden. And after that fantastic effort, it's gone out for a throw-in. Well, that's a really good authoritative tackle. Throw-in here. Can he put it away? Well, placement over power, but it didn't work out for him. Just 20 minutes remaining now. He's in behind. It's opened up for him. Oh, he's given it. The referee says penalty, and an opportunity for them to pull one back here. It should be a goal. Calmly taken spot kick.
Well, as you can see, he hits this with so much power, but just look at the follow-through. So athletic. That's a dynamic strike.
Well, back underway as we reflect on the goal that's made it 2-1. And he's broken free. Witsel. This could be the equaliser. Well, he's placed it wide. Really close shave. Pedri. Perfect tackle. Can he put it in? Surely. This could level it. Well, I don't think that effort remotely qualifies as respectable.
And the reason it's off target, because the technique was really poor on that occasion. That's not a good effort.
5 minutes to go. Perfect challenge. And diving to thwart it. Well, this left corner could represent their last chance to equalise. Oh, late drama here. All level again. Incredible scenes. So back underway. Dead level. 2-2. And the referee has decided to add on a minimum of 5 minutes. Out of play for an Argentina throw. And a goal at this stage. Can they forge ahead? Oh, a goal! Can you believe what we're watching? It truly is a comeback and a half. On neutrals, and the final whistle. A victory for Argentina. Precisely what their fans were hoping for, Stuart.
Well